How to recover deleted chats on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to try and get back conversations that have been removed from your inbox. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your DMs. From there, tap on the search bar at the top and type in the name of the person whose chat you want to recover. At this point, if the chat appears in the search results, tap on it to reopen the conversation. Instagram sometimes keeps chats accessible even after they've been deleted from your inbox. In the next step, if the chat isn't showing up through search, let me show you another way. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right and go to Searches and Activity. At this stage, tap on Account Center. Following this, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Once done, tap on Export Your Information. From there, tap on Create Export and select your device. At this stage, tap on Customize Your Information and scroll down to find Messages. Select it and tap Save. Following this, set the date range to cover the period when the chats were deleted and tap on Start Export. Once done, enter your Instagram password to confirm the request. And that's it. If this guide helped you recover deleted chats on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.